Hello and welcome to another episode of Talks with Arun on Health and Wellness. We have Arun with us to answer our questions surrounding some of the most pressing health issues we currently face. First of all, Arun, thank you for being here. And today's question is very current. With post-pandemic scenario, everyone is looking for ways to boost their immunity, to have it as good as possible. How do you think yoga can help with having good immunity?
So the entire practice of yoga is a practice of improving your health. Or if I have to rephrase that, it is the rediscovery of your health, or it's the maintenance of your health as it has been given to you naturally as a creature living on the planet, whichever way you want to look at it. So yoga is that process by which you can be naturally yourself, which means that you have an evolutionary advantage. The human body has been in evolution for millions of years, and it is built for survival. It knows how to survive. All we have to do is stop damaging the warranty, stop damaging itself. So in that sense, what yoga does is that it helps to repair, rejuvenate, recharge from the deepest possible level. The one good thing about yoga is that it is not just concerned with the physical body. And modern science is beginning to prove more and more that the body is integrated. So the way we think, the way we feel, our interactions with the outside world, and also our physical body, all of it has to be looked after for us to have immunity. It is not just the water we drink or the food that we eat that causes us low immunity. It is everything in the world we interact through our five senses that has to be looked at. And yoga is a wonderful tool to do that. When we practice asanas, each of the asanas has a specific role to play in boosting our immunity. When we do Sarvangasana, it stimulates the thyroid gland. When we practice the backward bending postures like Bhujangasana and Dhanurasana, they are working specifically on the heart and the entire spine. When we do the spinal twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana, that is working on the pancreas. When we practice Shavasana, we are giving rest at the cellular level to the entire human system. And the cellular level also includes the intelligence, the feelings, the thoughts, the emotions, the memories, and so on. So when we practice yoga, when we practice asanas, when we practice pranayama, each of these practices are working deep down at the cellular level. And when the human system gets complete rest and a certain kind of training, which is given to us by a yoga class, our immunity starts to become normal. And normal is actually excellent, because the human body is already ready to withstand any kind of attack. So all we need to do is recover the warranty. And it is through these very simple practices that you can recover that immunity. The fundamental understanding is that yoga gives you the kind of deep and abiding rest that is essential to make you normal. And that is all that we are trying to do with the practice of yoga, become normal. Once you are normal, your immunity is also normal, and you will not fall sick very often. And if you do fall sick, then you will recover also very quickly. Thank you.
So that concludes this episode of Talks with Arun on Health and Wellness. I hope you found this conversation useful on your path to wellness. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. If you have additional queries, post them in the comment box and we'll be more than happy to include those in our future episodes. Till then, stay well. Namaste.